Hey guys, welcome back to the pink envelope. I haven't done a stitch fix with y'all in like 3 months, I think. And it was a negative one. The last one I did was frustrating because I asked for shorts and they told me they had no shorts in all of Stitch Fix. So I thought I'd come back and open another one. Stitch Fix is a men's, women's, and kids sub box. We have my kids on pause because they're in uniform, so we just spent a fortune buying uniforms, so they're gonna have to wait on their box. And my husband's wardrobe has gotten so big it doesn't fit in his closet, so his is on pause. But Mama's isn't on pause. I always am needing things. They go from sizes 0 through 24 wide, which is extra small through 3X. Inside, it talks about what to do once you receive your box. Box is always super cute like this. On top, you'll always have this little guy. This little guy breaks down what is inside your box, as well as a note from your stylist. I had the same stylist for almost 3 years, and then she went on maternity leave and didn't come back. And my boxes have been hit or miss since. So we'll see. This is, that's why I thought I'd open it with y'all. It's a 50-50 as to what's gonna happen. Here's the invoice. This is also in this envelope that all of you will get. There's also this guy, whatever you don't like, you put the items in here, you drop it at FedEx, UPS, USPS, wherever, have them come pick it up from your house, and you're done. So, let's see what's inside this month's box. I've been really good about keeping my Pinterest boards up to date, sharing my fall transitional looks, so we'll see. Is this a bodysuit? Okay, so let's see. It doesn't say on the tag what it is. Here we go. 9 Britton Amy Sleeveless Scallop Neckline Knit Bodysuit. Okay. I'll give it a try. I'm always iffy with bodysuits. So I don't know. I like the scallop neckline. I think that is very cute. So we'll see. Y'all tell me what you think. Does it look cute? Does it look comfy? Does it fit well? Be honest in the feedback in the comments. Be honest, y'all, please. Okay. My next item is this guy, Guilty Pleasure. This is one of my favorite colors. I love, love, love this color, but I also am kind of getting a wardrobe of cobalt blues. This shirt is very, very soft. It's by Camuto, a brand I love. It's called the Merra Pleated Shoulder Detail Blouse. I'm wearing an extra small here. Tell me what you think. Does it look good? Does it fit good? It's extraordinarily soft. So I'm biased just by feeling it. Wish you guys could feel it. Okay, next I have, what is this? What do I have? Oh, it's a top like I have on now. Like this kind of setup. Oh, this is very cute, y'all. Look at the beadwork right on across the front. And it is split in the back. Can y'all see? Here. What do y'all think? What do you think about the color on me? Does a red or magenta look funny with my hair color? Does it look good on my skin tone? I freaking love the material. I love the tie. I love everything. Okay, next we have, oh, this is cute. I'm like I don't know if you watched my front door fashion unboxing. I'll have it pop up here. But it had a top that was perfect for Fiesta, so I kept it because I'm always thinking Fiesta. Look at this one. I'm gonna have a full Fiesta wardrobe before Fiesta even gets here. And for those of y'all who don't live in the San Antonio, Texas area, Fiesta is a huge citywide, nearly 2-week-long fundraiser for the nonprofits of San Antonio. And we all dress up crazy and we party together and celebrate and raise money to keep our nonprofits going. It's absolutely amazing. Anyhow, if you're a San Antonian, drop down below, give us a hashtag SATX and comment. Maybe we can meet up. Okay, back to this. I have this on now. What do y'all think? Off the shoulder, on the neck. I love the coloring. I just love, and it's not that heavy. It's pretty lightweight for all that embroidery. Okay, last item. I asked for dresses, so it was really, oh, it's a pantsuit. I asked for dresses and pantsuit. I was wondering if I was gonna get one. Typically, I avoid this color, but I kind of like this. Now, I wouldn't call it very fall transitional. Maybe if I add a denim jacket. But here is the front. It is gathered in the back, and it's pants. Here, let me try it on for y'all. What do y'all think? It's Skies Are Blue, Danica crochet trim jumpsuit in light purple size small. What do y'all think? I'm indecisive. I'm trying to decide what I think. Okay, so jumping back over here, I showed y'all all 5 items. All 5 items come to $286 flat. If I keep all, I get a 25% discount, which takes 71 off the price, which would make my total $214.50. So $214.50 for 5 items. For me, that's good. I can easily spend 75 to 100 on per item, especially for brands like Vince Camuto, THML, Skies Are Blue, those more reputable brands. So there's that. If you want to hang to kind of see, I'm going to talk a little bit about this next. If you are done, give this video a thumbs up before you head out, because it would make my heart happy. For those of you who are hanging, on here, it gives you multiple outfit ideas. So here's that one top in 2 different looks I can do with it. This one dress, oh look, there's a denim jacket I mentioned. 2 different looks. And then my stylist said this, Samantha, how are you? Thank you for requesting me back to style you. I was unable to get my hand on another pair of shortalls. I'm so sorry about that. That was one of my specific requests. However, thank you for having a request ready for this fix. I see that you're looking for date night tops, so you'll find 4 within to try out. I was limited on date night styles, so you'll find that I have played with sizes in order to get the best pick from what was currently available. In the past, extra small has worked for you, so let me know if staying in the extra small size is good. The Vince Camuto is a beauty and obviously going to look incredible against your hair and complexion. It's the perfect blank canvas for the layered neckline. Try the 9 Britton bodysuit with your favorite high-rise denim. Happy styling. Thank you, Samantha, XOXO Blake. So what's kind of funny is they released that style card, and I realized this after y'all commented on my last video, that style pass, and everybody bought it. And so you get free shipping and all these different purchases, bonuses, and I don't even know who all they allowed to purchase it. But ever since releasing style pass, they're sold out of everything. So it's, I don't know if they're growing too fast, I don't know where it falls, but I'm getting a lot of, we didn't quite have that in my notes now. Not a big deal with the style pass. I don't pay for shipping anymore, so I get these boxes just sent to me. So I'm not as frustrated when they don't work out. I don't lose money, so to speak. So anyhow, okay, that's it. I don't know. If I was on a scale of 1 to 5 for this box, I'd give it a 3.5. I wasn't blown away, but I definitely wasn't disappointed like that last box where I asked for only shorts and got none. All right, guys, thanks for hanging with me. I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.